Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Miss Aidana. I am from English Center, Bangladesh. My person is KT120. So today I am going to tell a short Islamic story. So let's get started. Long ago there was a man who came to visit a desert. It was a town in the past. Then when he looked at the desert, he only can see ruined village. So then he thought, how can Allah bring this town back to life? Then Allah heard his thought and took his life. 100 years and generation passed. 100 years and generation passed. Then Allah gave his life back again. Then when he woke up, he thought that he only slept for a while. But he didn't sleep for a while. Then Allah said, you slept for 100 years. Then when he looked at his donkey, he only can see bone and dust. Then in front of the man, Allah gave the donkey life. And the moral of the story is, the creator of heaven and earth is only Allah. Thank you for listening. Bye.